Hi everyone, I will show you how to hide unwanted message requests. Open Instagram app, go to your profile, then tap three lines on the top right, then tap setting and privacy, scroll down. Now tap the hidden words. Now you can see the more options to hide the messages and requests. Turn on hide the comments, advanced comments. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.